Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to take you around my shared accommodation. So welcome. This is one of the bedroom. It's a 5-bedroomed house. Yeah, we have the heater, have the cupboard, a small painting, a small drawer, have a bed. This was the first day when I came into the UK. It was at night, so I wasn't able to draw the curtain. Another drawer. That's it for the room. Heading to the hallway. Downstairs. We have the dining area. Plus study area and the lounge. Heading to the kitchen. You have the refrigerator. Everything in this house is shared. One gets to have his or her own bedroom, but everything else you have to share. That is inclusive of the kitchen, the bathroom, off from the kitchen. We're heading upstairs. So you notice that the washroom and the bathroom, they're all upstairs. So everyone has an ironing board of their own. This is an extra room, just in case you need some own time. You can relax in there. This is the toilet. It's quite small, but manageable. You also have another washroom that has combined, it has a toilet and a shower. Quite big. And a heater. Yeah. That's it for the accommodation. See you next time. Goodbye.